If your windows are giving you grief because the sash won't slide smoothly, chances are those Jamb liners are shot and need swapping out. So, here's the thing. Jamb liners are those strips inside your window frame that help the sash move up and down without sticking or rubbing. When they get damaged or worn out, your window sash can get stuck or feel super rough when you try to open or close it. The fix? Replacing the Jamb liners is usually pretty straightforward. First, you want to carefully remove the old, damaged liners. Sometimes they're nailed in or just snapped in place. Make sure you clean out any dirt or debris in the channel before you pop in new liners. It helps to get Jamb liners made of durable material like vinyl or nylon, so they last longer and keep the sash moving smooth. Measure your window channels precisely to get liners that fit just right. Too tight or too loose can cause more problems. If you aren't sure how to do this yourself, no shame in calling a pro. It saves a ton of hassle. Also, keep your windows clean and lubricated with a silicone-based spray to keep everything sliding nice after replacement. One of the biggest headaches people run into with damaged Jamb liners is trying to force the sash when it sticks, which can warp the frame or break glass. Never push hard, just fix the liners first. Another common mistake is buying generic Jamb liners without measuring properly, which leads to loose fit and more rattling. Always measure twice before buying. Lastly, some folks forget to check for other damage, like warped sashes or cracked frames while replacing liners. Ignoring those can make your new liners wear out faster. The fix? Be gentle with windows that stick, always get precise measurements for liners, and inspect the whole window before starting any work. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trustworthy local contractors who actually know what they're doing with window repairs and other projects. For contractors, it's a solid way to get connected with real clients looking for help, making it easier to grow their business without all the extra hassle.